Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 1 of April of working through my minis. I have done this since December 1st and I am making such great progress going through my stack of minis and tinies. I'm actually going to show the drawer. I've even added a few for some new ones that came in. I wasn't prepared to do this, so that's why it's making all this noise. But this one was full and it had stuff on top, and this is everything now, and it's so awesome. So I'm so excited to be still doing this. A few other people in the community are doing this. It makes it super fun to cheer them on. They're cheering me on. I'm cheering you guys on if you're doing it. So this is day 1 of April. I don't have a fun, catchy title, but I am bringing $10, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. I'm going to set that there for a second. This is my super cute new dashboard and setup. This is from Homebody Mama Saves. And if I have that wrong, I'll put it in on the screen, and I'll have her tagged below. She's a very new channel. She's doing great. And she had these up on her Ko-fi, and I was like, oh my gosh, the colors are beautiful. I'm actually wearing a t-shirt that has like the same sort of colors that matches this bow I got from Jeanette's Journey. So I'm excited. I'm doing 6 envelopes. I've got my extras. Yeah. So I'm going to move the gorgeous paperclip for now. We'll put that on when we know where we're going. So let's put our $10 in our bank. Since we're continuing on. I have money already in here and challenges in here. And as I was putting my dashboards in, I noticed that one of the envelopes had 2 in it. So I completely messed up yesterday. But that's okay. We'll figure it out. It'll just get divvied up, or we'll do one challenge first and then the other. So I have a D3 die. Oh, I don't have my prop coins. Forgot to grab my prop coins from our little thing. So I'm bringing $10. So I have $10 worth of prop coins. And the fun thing is I have 50 cents, 25 cents, 75, and $1. I think there's $2 in here, two $1 in here, which is very cool. All right, so let me get back. So it's bank. All right, I don't have a tray for my super cool little pretty dice tower that matches. Like, hello, it's like Jeanette New or something. But I don't have a little tray, so we're just gonna like pretend, like kind of block it in. We'll see what happens. I might have to change it, but okay, that's not bad. All right, so 1 got 3. Okay, I can do that. It just bounces off the thing. All right, I like it. 3 got 3. That's exciting. 1, 2, and 3. So how are you doing? I do not 1 and 2 like April Fool's stuff, so I don't participate in that. I feel like it's mean. People get like I'm gullible. So 1, 2, and 3 for 6. We're gonna go back to 1. So I never participate in anything like that, but if you did and you did something fun, let me know. 1 for 2. 1 for 3. 1 for 4. I have 3 left. 1 for 5. 3 for 6, but I have 2, so they're getting 2. So we'll start again at 1 tomorrow. Oops, my little envelopes are not, there we go. So I can just, well, I guess I can just do it like that. All right, so let's get everything situated. I don't have markers out yet. There, I got a couple out, so let's see what 1 got. Oh my gosh. I swear they were all mixed up. 50. Oh my gosh. 1 got $3. Oh my gosh. Coming with $10 and only having 6 envelopes is going to be so different. So we got $3. This is going to save 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So 1, 2, 3. We really got $3. All right. I'm going to color all this. I'll be right back. I think I'm going to use up all of my markers all of a sudden just in this one video. Okay, I'm not used to having $3, let alone, yeah, that's crazy. All right, so let's see, that's that's crazy. This one is from the Millennial Saver. Wow. All right, so number 2 got $1. That's kind of more my speed. So number 2 is, oh, we only needed 75 cents. This is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we needed 75. And this one saved us $5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. So I can set that there. We can grab a new one. I probably need to fill up our extras. Okay, I have this one from Becca Budget 777. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. And I can do one of these. Perfect. Oh, this is so fun. New stuff. Okay, so $1.75 going into number 3. Oh, we just needed $1. I can put that back. We'll put 75 cents into the new one. This one's kind of bougie, kind of broke, also from the Millennial Saver. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, saved $4. All right, let's see what we can do in, we'll do another Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budget. So let's do 75 cents. So no matter what it says on the challenge, every spot is 25 cents. So we put 75 cents in that one. All right. So we have $1.25 going into number 4. This little envelopes and everything is so cute. All right, this one is from, I believe, Bella at Saving Made Simple. Let's get my green out. We'll go continue with the green. So we have a 25 cents, so I'll do that one. And then $1. This one should save us $7. All right, and then number 5 got $1 as well. Is this the one with 2? Okay. So we'll just continue on with the one on top. So let's do 25, 50, 75, and $1. $1.25. I guess that's what that's for. And then number 6. Number 6 got $2. This one is from Maribel at Minto, and we just needed $1.25 to finish. So here's 25, and then I'll do the last row for $1. Yay! So 1, 2, 3, that saves $3. And then we need another one. Should I just grab this other one? Yeah, we'll just grab Steph's on a Budget. And we'll finish off with 75 cents. Perfect. Let's do that. So, all right, we are stopping at 6 because I changed it from, I think I had started out with 10 and then I did 8 and now I'm at 6. And, okay, so we go to our bank. Let's see what we need. So we have 5, 4 is 9, and 3 is 12. Yep, so $12 out of our bank. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we'll go back here, and I made a little completed one on, I think this was, number 7 for the envelopes, but I was like, oh, I'm not using 7, so I just made it completed. And this is where my money's going to go. So we'll put our $12 in there, and then our first 3 challenges of the month done will go in there. Yay! All right, I'm going to mix these up a little bit. So we're ready for day 2 of doing something to my minis, finishing my, I don't know. There's nothing clever that I can come up with for April, but that's all right. I'm just happy we're making huge progress. And we're going to start on number 1. Let's put it this way so it can stick out a little bit. Yay! Thank you guys so much for hanging out. This was really fun. I appreciate you being here, and tomorrow we'll do $10 more for day 2. Until next time, take care. Bye.